Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, I have a very exciting box to open with you guys. And I'm going to be doing it in a very unique way. And this box is so fun. This is a box for men. And so I had Zach review everything in this box. So if you'd like to see what came in here, then just keep on watching. Okie dokie, you guys. This is the Sprezzabox, and it is so nice and luxurious, I tell you what. So let's go over some of the details on the box, and then let's pop into it. So this is a $28 a month subscription. If you use my coupon code KWORLD25, you will get 25% off your first box. It's $100 in retail value for $28 a month, which is really great. Normally when you get a subscription box, you'd like to see at least the price that you paid for the box doubled in value, and this goes over that, so that's nice. You get 4 to 6 new products each month. It ships by the 10th of every month, and it ships worldwide. So, I mean, short and sweet, straight to the point, so great. So, this is what the box looks like. It's super awesome looking. It looks 3D. It's the Sprezzabox. So I gave this to Zach to open so he could review the products so I could show them to you and tell you guys a man's perspective on these items. And he opened the box like that. I don't know if you guys have noticed in any of my other videos, but I'm like super delicate when I'm opening boxes and stuff and like taking stickers and tape off. And I'm like, I don't want to ruin it. It's so pretty. And then men just like, ah. All right, so when you open it up, this is normally what it looks like. Sprezza paper. And then do a little sneak peek here. Bam. Alrighty. So first off, we're going to pull this out. This is the To Go Dop Kit. Premium Care Company. And this is a bag to put all of your essentials in. This, I got a little bit ahead of myself. This is the Nomad Box. So there's other boxes this company offers, ones that have like ties and stuff like that in it. This is for the traveler. So if I haven't told you guys already, Zach normally goes camping a lot, and he goes camping on his motorcycle. So he packs everything on his motorcycle and then he goes out camping. So we've been trying to find new things and different things for him to be able to take with him camping that's condensed and small, but he's still able to camp comfortably. So I don't know if it's a man thing or not, but he really likes bags. So this was like, this is part of the reason why I chose this box, actually, was due to this bag. It's very, very nicely made, well made, and he really likes bags. So this was a win for him. And then next up, we have this UB Moisturizing Skin Cream. Original Japanese formula, tested on Mount Everest. Invented by a Japanese pharmacist in 1957, UB's high-performance glycerin formula helps hydrate and soothe rough, dry skin from head to toe, including hands, feet, cuticles, face, and lips. That's cool. And it did have a safety seal on it. Zach took it off and he used some. And he really liked the scent on this and the way it felt. So, another win. Okay, next up, let's get into here. So, there was a little black satchel in here. And inside there is the I Am Man fish hook bracelet. So, he did try this on. And you wrap it around your wrist and then you hook it. And that is the bracelet. And then it has a little slidey thing on there where you can adjust the size. So that was really cool. He doesn't like this so much as a bracelet, but he did say that he wants to turn it into a necklace, and then that would really work out better for him. There's really good quality leather for the string, and then the hook on it is just so cool. So this was definitely a win as well for us. We're just going to repurpose it to work a little bit better for him. Okay, next up is this, and this is the Weekend Casual Luggage tag. And this is really awesome. One thing that Zach had said was it's very simplistic, and the quality of the fabric on here feels super nice. He obviously travels on his motorcycle, so he doesn't have luggage, but he will be using this to put his park pass in here and to hang it from his motorcycle, so that way when the park rangers come by, then they can see that he has his park pass. They don't have to come bother him, and it'll just be right there for them to be able to see it. So we thought that was super cool, super useful, and there's different ways you can use things that come in subscription boxes, and they're multi-purpose, and that is always great. Okie dokie. And then last but not least, let's get this out of the way. There is the Kiko passport holder. So this, again, super nice quality, feels very nice, and it has that little clasp button right there, and then you open her up, and that's what it looks like. Got a pocket here and a pocket here. So again, like I said, Zach travels on his motorcycle, so he won't need a passport. He's not leaving the country. But what he will do with this is there are pockets and stuff where he could put certain cards and money for his trip that he would want to like use first, or just to keep organized. And then he will be sticking a little notebook inside of this little pocket right here. So that way he has his little notebook where he can make his lists of like things he needs to take camping with him. Or if he's out camping and he runs out of things and he's like, hey, next time I go camping, remember to bring a little bit extra of this item. So that is another win for him. I did ask him to choose his most favorite item from the box and his least favorite item from the box. So his favorite items, he had two, were of course this bag, because he really likes bags. So this was his favorite item, as well as the little passport holder that he will be putting his notebook in. So those were his two favorite items. And I had asked him, well, those are your two favorite items. What's your least favorite item? And he said, there's nothing I could, he's like, if I absolutely had to choose, he's like, I can't choose though. He's like, the luggage tag would probably be my least favorite item if I didn't have a different use for it. And he does. So he absolutely loves this. It's going to be very helpful for him in his journeys. So he had nothing to say bad about this box. And so he's actually contemplating buying it monthly for himself. So that was a big win. Again, don't forget my code KWorld25 for 25% off. So what did you guys think about this box? Do you guys have a man, a best friend, a cousin, an uncle, a dad that would like something like this? I'm excited to see what comes next month, because this was a really nice, high quality luxe box for a man, which I've noticed they don't really have a lot out there. So I absolutely love this. The fact that you can get 4 to 6 items for $28 and you're getting $100 value blows my mind. I absolutely love that. Speaking of getting a lot for your buck, I got this at the Dollar Tree. A rock star? I didn't know they sold rock stars at the Dollar Tree. I love rock stars. What are you, rock star or a monster? I love rock stars over monster, definitely. So, I also wanted to point out the fact that they put a manly skincare item in here. I thought that was so awesome. I actually want to try a little bit. Shh, don't tell Zach. So it comes out like a little yellow tinted. Oh yeah, that feels like a really good moisturizer. Oh no. Oh my God, that smells so amazing. So a little tiny bit goes a long way. So I used a little bit too much. Shh, don't say anything. So, oh my God, I'm gonna steal that from him. It smells so good. Very manly smelling. So that is all I have for you guys today. Please let me know down below what you guys think about this box. I do believe we will be getting another box next month. So keep your eyes out for that. And yeah, that's all I have. I hope you guys have a wonderful, fantastic day. And like always, I love you guys so very much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.